Tommy Kissinger with Go Bearded Beard Products Company, also a community and a brotherhood for the bearded. In this video, we're going to be talking about the launching of our website and our company, Go Bearded, and the website is officially launched. Before we get into that, just asking if you would hit that thumbs up button, the like button, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, come on in, baby. We want you to be a part of this brotherhood and community for the bearded. So, great news. We're super excited. The website is officially launched. It is GauxBearded.com, and that is GEAUXBEARDED.com. So, hey, down south here, we spell go in a kind of funny way, GEAUX, like Go Tigers. And so it is GauxBearded.com. And so website is launched. It's up and running. We're super proud of it. We put a lot of time in it. We have consulted with some of the best people in the industry behind the scenes. We've used some of the best people in the industry to create the site, to create all the looks and the brand and the labels, all of that coming to you for you. And so just wanted to take you through the site a little bit, and I've got it pulled up here, and just going to go down through the home page a little bit, tell you a little bit about it. So when you bring up the home page, it's got a killer look. It has the Go Bearded logo, which you can see on my shirt, and it has a picture of the Bayou Bigfoot oil just kind of coming out at you. And also it's got the mountains in the background. Nice, really great looking fade going into the mountains in the background. You'll love the trees. And it says there, it's time to go. GEAUX. So we're calling you men to be a part of this. It's time to go. It's time to go bearded. It's time to grow as a man. It's time to seek after adventure and what this life has for you. And it allows you to shop right away. So when you go up to the top of the site, of course, it has the home page, and then it has a category to shop. When you go to drop down for the shop, it'll let you shop by scent, or you can shop by product. So on the site, we have oil, butter, balm, wash, and conditioner. We're going to be adding some other things to the site very soon. So you can also shop by scent. As I told you, we have a citrus, a spice, a cologne, a vanilla tobacco, a woodsy, and an unscented. Then we have an About Us page that you can look through that just tells you some background story, how Go Bearded was started. We have an adventure page, which is a big passion for me, is adventure, going to the mountains, setting goals, accomplishing things, going after your dreams, hobbies, and passions. And then we have a title at the top also to get a free sample. We're going to offer one free sample. You just fill that form out, coming right to you to your door. So scrolling down through the home page, just take you through some of the comments, tell you what it's all about. So many men settle, they plateau, and never let their beards grow. Life is demanding, constraining, keeping you and your beard from being free. That was one of the things that Go Bearded did for me, and growing the beard was just brought me out of my comfort zone with that, and just letting it go, letting it rip, letting the beard grow out and experiencing that. But it translates over into your life also. As a man, as a human being, hey, some of the things you've been holding on to, let them go, let them grow, let them rip. What about some of these things you want to do, your dreams, hobbies, and passions? It's time to go. So, but what if you had quality beard products, which we have, helpful tips from bearded brothers, and challenges to help you and your beard grow? That's what Go Bearded is all about. That is the brand, is to help you and your beard grow. That's what we're all about. So are you ready to grab life by the beard? I love that saying that we came up with. So we offer you there to join the brotherhood and to grow together. And then you'll begin to see some featured products, and then you can click on view all products. And then we invite you on down as you get on down to the bottom of the page to get connected. We're going to share wisdom, and we're going to encourage you. And so we say, let the beard pioneers guide you through the awkward phase, the itchy phase, and make sure things don't get out of control. So that's what the products are all about. That's what the grooming and the teaching is all about, is to teach you how to care for it, how to style it, and comb it and all that. So then we have some sections here. You can join the Go Bearded Brotherhood community. You can watch videos. We have the YouTube channel, obviously, that you're watching this on right now. And then you can get product reviews, tips, and offers by just giving us your email. And then you can also follow our adventures, because we have an adventure page. And each year we set goals and we go after these adventures. And then it tells you how to get going. So you can get a free sample. Number one, you just fill out the form. We'll send a free beard oil sample straight to your door. Number two, you can join the Brotherhood. You subscribe to the YouTube channel, engage with our Facebook group, follow the blog that's soon to come. We're going to give you beard care tips, exclusive offers, and you can accept challenges and be a part of the adventures that we're going through also. Number three, grab life by the beard. So you're able to look good, grow fuller, and go further. And you're able to shop right there also. Then you can scroll down. It'll give you the form to get a free beard oil sample. And it's got a picture of me as I was hiking up the Manitou Incline, talking about climb higher. Other people's expectations and my own OCD held me back for years. But thanks to some good brothers, a beard challenge, and majestic mountains, I'm a new man, a free man. I'm growing and going on to greater challenges, and I want you to join me. So it just invites you again to join the Brotherhood, to grab life by the beard. You can send your email, and we'll just hold on to that and begin to communicate with you. And so we close it on out at the bottom by saying, don't stay plateaued. Let's grow together. And so we're super excited about this. Get on the site, shop, browse around. You can get a free sample. We also offer samples that are for sale. And as I said, we have the oil, butter, balm, wash, conditioner. And we've launched with 5 scents and an unscented, some killer stuff. We want you to be a part of it. We've done it just for the glory of it, for the glory of the beards, the glory of the mountains, and the community and the Brotherhood. I just have a passion for a great business. I have a passion for great products and customer service. I have a passion for people. I've been in sales for years, and I've just learned to love people, and that, hey, it's all about people. People buy from people they like. And so we've presented it to you. We want you to be a part of it. GoBearded.com. That's GeauxBearded.com. GoBearded.com. Jump on the site, buy the stuff. Smells amazing, high quality products. We've put our blood, sweat, and tears into it, baby. We want you to be a part of it. As always, remember, go Tommies, go Tigers, and go Bearded.